In this video, I'm going to give you 3 easy ways that you can turn your 5-star Google reviews into new paying customers for your business. Now, before we get started, I do want to send you a free gift and a free resource. Simply comment down below, let me know how many Google reviews you currently have for your business, and when you do, I'm going to email the email address on your YouTube channel a free template that you can copy and paste and implement these strategies immediately. All you gotta do is comment down below, let me know the number of Google reviews you have, and I'll shoot that resource right over to that email address. Have you ever been in a Facebook group where somebody posted the question, how do I get Google reviews? Or how do I use my reviews to rank higher in SEO? How do I use it to get more customers? This is essentially the question that they're wanting to know. They're wanting to know, how do I take each 5-star review that I'm working hard to get, and how do I leverage that to build my business with new paying customers? To leverage your Google reviews, you should know what these really are. They're nothing more than tools. It's like having a box of bullets that you keep on a shelf in a closet. If I never take the bullets out, if I never put them in the gun and fire at my target, then nothing will ever happen. And that's the same thing that's going to happen with your Google reviews. If you never do anything with them, if you just hope and pray that people are going to see them and they're just going to be attracted to them, then you're not going to have the results that you're looking for. So the number one thing that you should be doing to leverage your Google reviews is by emailing all of your unsold prospects. Hopefully you have a CRM that is loaded with people that at one point or another raised their hand and said, I want to learn more about your business. I want to get a quote. I want to talk to somebody. And you, for whatever reason, were unable to sell them. It could have been due to price. It could have been due to service. It could have been just due to timing. What you should be doing is you should be putting out a drip sequence that's going to send reviews periodically once a month to existing prospects, people that you have not sold. Pick out your best 5-star reviews, maybe 3 to 5 of them, and tell a story and send those off to your prospects. Give it a really engaging headline, something that you were able to do, whether it was I saved Johnny $800 or we helped Betty Sue get into the home of her dreams, something that's going to elicit an emotional response, and you're using the story of your testimonial in order to attract and build better relationships with your prospects to drive more interest. This is particularly awesome for those prospects that maybe they were going to buy, but they needed another 6 months, or they needed more time, or maybe they thought that they were going to have a better experience with a competitor, and now you're telling stories with these reviews. It should cost you nothing to use your CRM, to use whatever automation platform you use, and to just send these reviews in story form to existing customers. If you want to make a video, put it in the video just like this and have a review pop up right here and just talk about it. Talk about what you were able to do. That's the best and easiest way, and it's free because you're already paying for the CRM of choice. You're already paying to email. Find the top 10 prospects that you have not sold that if you thought, man, if I could get this customer, it would be awesome. It would be life-changing. And just send it off manually if you have to. Write out something that's personal to that person and say, look, I just wanted to send this to you because it reminded me a lot of our conversation. I hope you're doing well. Again, for anybody that wants a template that's going to allow you to send these emails off, comment down below, let me know how many Google reviews you have, and I'll fire off a copywritten template just for you to just copy and paste and use in your business. The second way to convert your 5-star Google reviews into new customers is by posting to all of your social media outlets, including your Google My Business account. What you should be doing is you should be taking a screenshot of each review that you get, and you should be posting that organically to your personal Facebook page. And you're gonna say, Nick, I don't like to sell from my Facebook page. If you don't like to sell from your Facebook page, then you don't like getting sales, because this is the best way for outreach, for converting people who are watching, who are lurking. And it doesn't have to be upset. It doesn't have to be all the time and over the top, but once a week, twice a week, simply take a screenshot, post it to your Facebook page, post it to your LinkedIn channel, post it to your Google My Business photos, so that when people are looking for insurance and they see you come up on Google, they see not just the review link, but they see photos of all of your reviews. This is simple. This is elementary, and anybody can do this. Simply tell a story on your social media profile. Simply post the picture, the screenshot, to your Google My Business account, and you can get more exposure. You can leverage these testimonials to get in front of more cold traffic, more prospects, more people who are showing levels of intent to learn about your product or service. And this is a great way to keep your Google My Business account at the top of mind, to keep feeding it data. Google wants you to post to your account. The more you post to your account, the more priority you can get with Google with placing your business in front of more prospects. Take advantage of these free tools and these free resources and watch these Google reviews turn into more quotes, turn into more opportunities for your business. The third way to convert more of your Google reviews into paying customers is with paid advertising online. You can accomplish this with Facebook ads, and you can accomplish it with YouTube ads. I'm a YouTube guy, so I'm gonna give you the YouTube strategy that's going to allow you to make digital billboards using your testimonials to get in front of more customers, like the customers you want. Now right here, I'm gonna post a link to a video where I talk a lot about digital billboards. Watch that in your own time. I'll also put it at the end of this video so that you can click right over to it and see how digital billboards work. But essentially what you're going to do is you're gonna take a screenshot of that testimonial. You're gonna get it on camera just like this, or with your cell phone. It doesn't have to be polished, it doesn't have to be perfect. And you're simply going to verbally tell the story. You're simply gonna say, we're saving more customers like Johnny here $500 a year on his auto insurance with better coverage. He came to us, he was able to do X, Y, and Z. We were able to do X, Y, and Z, and we were able to help him and her or whatever save more money on their insurance. It could be about a business, it could be about a person, it could be a situation that you had where it was really troublesome, and you're just going to blast that in mass to your zip code, to your city, to your state, wherever it is you're looking to do business. These are great digital billboards that will cost you next to nothing to promote on YouTube and to get in front of every 18 to 65 or every 34 to 65 or every 65-year-old. However it is that you segment your customers, you can use these digital billboards with your testimonials to just tell the story, to just promote, to proclaim what it is your business can do and what it has done. And you can spend $2, $3, $5 a day just promoting these. If you've got 500 testimonials, if you're like my buddy Gary and you've got 999 testimonials, then this is a great strategy for you to just have these evergreen ads that are just constantly in front of customers. You can do this on Facebook. You can do it on YouTube. You can just use paid advertising to get in front of people. Again, if you comment down below on this video, I'm gonna shoot you over an example of a video that's going to have the script and have the visual example for you to essentially just kind of copy and paste so that you can do the exact same thing. You can also watch our digital billboard video to show you exactly how to make these videos so that you're not stuck learning and trying to figure this out. It's a great strategy to use email, to use social proof on your social media and Google My Business, and to use paid advertising to distribute these. Again, these are bullets, and if you don't shoot the bullets, if you don't put them in the gun, nothing will happen. It's bait, but you have to put the bait where the fish are. And by doing that, you'll start converting more of your 5-star Google reviews into new customers, and that's what you want. Do me a huge favor, if you enjoyed this video, comment down below, let us know how many Google reviews you have, subscribe to the channel where we're doing more content like this on a regular basis. We can't wait to hear the stories of how you're turning your Google reviews into new customers. We'll see you in the next video.